Okay.
Okay, keep going.
So
you want to interview me? Eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. When you guess avec moi. What's your name?
I'll be Patrick.
Tu fais comme tu vas parler.
I forgot my name. Sometimes that happens to me, so I'm gonna get used to it.
Yep. So aujourd'hui, nous venons faire une vidéo avec nous tous les deux. Je connais si vous regardez les previous vidéos. Quand je me posé des questions et des questions, so you guys can get to know me. So aujourd'hui, je vais you guys get to know this guy right here. So plein de gens qui déjà connaissent moi, so I don't think you need to
Nobody knows me, girl.
Okay.
I'm very popular, but nobody knows me.
So yes guys, so j'ai question là même, nous allons poser des questions et puis après répondre une question so you guys can get to know him.
Well, you should go over the questions with me first, so.
No.
But don't ask me no tricky questions.
No, I'm not. Okay. First question.
Damn, already go?
Yes.
They didn't give you time.
A hard one.
Good.
A
hard one?
Mm-hmm. Got
Goodness.
Okay. So when people are this is my baby. This is my boo.
When did you give birth to me? When was that?
So anyway.
I don't recall having you as my mother.
This is my boo, okay?
Damn. And she's my
okay,
boo.
first question.
And she's my boo boo.
How long have you been together? Depuis combien de temps nous ensemble? Première question. Les pas même dans ça non.
Yeah, it's gonna be soon 11 years. Basically, a little bit over 10 years now.
Because nous avons plus passé de 10 years depuis nous connaître.
We've known each other for 11 years.
Yeah.
Because since 2010, so now basically, and then we started dating like what, early 2011?
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
So basically it's been 10 years.
But we know each other like...
11 years.
Yeah.
All together.
Nous connaissons a lot.
Best friends.
Oh baby, that was one of the questions. Who's your best friend? Oh!
That would be you.
Okay, I'm gonna take that off.
The only best friend I got.
You're the only one I
And
have.
when she's not around, I'm my own best friend.
So yeah, so I'm your best friend.
Hell yeah.
I'm his best friend, guys. So he doesn't have anything for
But
you.
you got to help your best friend drinking.
Huh?
Help me drinking.
I have to help you stop drinking.
How about that?
Yes.
That'd
Next
be
question. Oh, do you have any kids?
Hell yeah.
Okay.
I got 3. Well, one died.
Yeah.
One passed, with cancer.
Yeah.
Yeah, the oldest one.
Oh, it's gonna be 2 years.
Oh, damn, next month.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
So-
The next month. No, this month.
This
At the
month,
At the end of this month.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. The game, moi même pas gagné. Faut nous dire que tout pour nous comprendre.
Yeah. You get petit, but back is it.
Bye.
You get 3, you move, 2 été.
I can't believe you qui vont mettre photo petite ou na barre là, on pense que c'est petite moi. I'm like, damn, do I look that old? Pour que quoi c'est petite ça?
That's what some people think. When I post Vanessa, they think you are Vanessa.
I can't. Wow.
So they think you are an old.
What is one thing you want to accomplish in life? Qui on bagay ou ta remè accompli dans vie ou pense pourquoi accompli?
At this time of my life, nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm too old for that shit now.
So
I would like to get, my engineering degree. But it's freaking too late, but I'm doing not too bad in life, so.
I was just gonna ask you, what was your major in college?
Engineering.
And you just said it.
Yeah, civil engineering.
It's like question you rentre dans l'ordre about ça?
Because the parler, we're talking.
Yeah. So, bon, to mettre ça tout, because in the game, what was your major in college?
Yeah.
So,
Civil engineering, but I studied accounting.
qui
as
j'en
well.
ai répondu en créole? Faut dire en créole.
Oh, ingénieur civil.
Ok.
Génie civil en français.
Faut garder mon autre.
Génie civil en français, et puis encore, on dit, tu vas bon ingénieur. Ingénieur.
So, yes.
So, civil engineering in English, génie civil en français, et puis, nous sommes bon ingénieur. En créole.
Okay.
But like I told you, I studied, I got a certificate, a degree in accounting as well. I'm diplômé en comptabilité aussi bien.
Okay.
Yeah.
L'autre question,
J'ai tout de faire sociologie, psychology and logic. Yeah, so I studied as well in the sociology and psychology.
Okay.
But I didn't finish.
Okay.
So raté.
Okay. Next. Nous pas me dire 1, 2, 3, on déjà posé une question. On peut dire en total 19 questions comme ça. So, what accomplishment are you most proud of? Qui bagay ou accompli dans vous ou proud of?
My kids, they grew up fine.
Oh, that's nice.
Yep. They grew up fine. Petit
Because c'est ça that
ils sortent bien en ville. You know, college graduates and stuff, you know, working, they're making good money and stuff. They don't depend on nobody.
Oh, that's good.
If I was a person going like they never call and say, Daddy, we need this. Nah, because they got shit on their own.
Oh, that's good.
Yep.
Okay, you are a proud
They
dad.
even give me money sometimes.
You're a proud dad, huh?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Hell yeah.
Okay. Oh, do you hold any grudges?
Hell yeah. That's me. That's who I am. Because I hold grudges. Because there are some MFA with
Quelle dis ça en créole?
Get rancune.
Oh, est-ce que vous avez rancune? Les dit oui,
Of course, I'm getting
rancune.
rancune. Yeah, I hold the grudges, okay? I consider motherfucking I can't stand their asses.
Oh my god.
That's me. That's who I am.
What is your happiest childhood memory? Qui bagay lò te piti, like, kon sa nou ta di?
Like, you know, pity, childhood.
Childhood, high school, childhood, whatever. Lò te ti moun?
Oh, playing soccer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I play football.
Okay.
The basketball, football, and then weed.
Ou vlon bay,
Like the
ou
Cowboys.
question, pa kontrol pou, because you swear.
Like, reading Cowboys books and stuff. Playing soccer and basketball. Yeah. Allez football, mais là, jouer basketball, on lit livre comics, livre cowboy. And then she died avec Zami, ma blague, parler de loup-garou.
Welcome back?
Hell no.
Okay.
Give my maman là.
Okay.
Yep.
What is your favorite pastime? Qui sont les faire? L'on va travailler, l'on va.
Listening to music while I'm drinking. Bam!
So ça le plus de faire, c'est dans des musiques et puis.
Et des musiques et puis ma bogo. Like, that's shit. Le jour docteur dit ma bogo, mon corps, I'll be dead.
Oh man.
So that's my favorite pastime, you know. T'as des musiques et puis t'as des bogo.
No, sometimes somebody.
We are shit about blue, but we know today we get blue. So we like going by the ocean, sit down. Even though we don't go inside in the ocean, but you know, we just walk.
Yeah.
You know, along the beach and stuff. What else? And then, as a matter of fact, another thing, you know, I like driving. When I say driving, like long drive. Road trip.
Yeah.
You know, try to enjoy the sceneries and stuff.
Yeah. So we like
that's another one of my other pastimes.
Yep. Okay. Well, what were you like in high school? Qui chantait a lot of
I wasn't too bad. I was average.
Okay.
I was average. But I got shit done. Yeah, I'm doing well with moyen, but I mean, it depends. So, therefore, I'm for, therefore, I'm creative.
Donc, ils sont plus pas fort.
Mathematics and physics.
I know.
Yeah.
Et pour t'aller pour l'ingénieur?
I'm telling you, man, that was the worst move I made in my life. That was one of the worst choices I had made, I've ever made in my life. And that's why I couldn't finish.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
Wow. Next one. What do you want to do when you're retired? Qu'est-ce que vous voulez faire au fin de retraite pour travailler? Comment tu retired? Pension?
Retraité. Le fait retraité. Le fait retraité. Le pas travailler encore.
Et de combien de temps vous pour retire?
2 ans and 2 years.
Peut-être que tu as fait retire dans 2 ans.
It depends on how much money I'm getting.
So yeah.
If I'm getting a significant amount of money, she ain't going back to work.
Yay!
We're going to traveling.
Yes!
You know, living by the beach.
I can't wait for shit. So yeah, qu'est-ce que tu as fait? Just like travel, not even thing. It's not like you're going to look for a part-time job, no.
I will look for a part-time job, but I don't know yet.
But not right away.
For the first one of the first 2 years, I might stay home and get bored.
Okay.
And then I know afterwards I will have to get
Because you're gonna get bored very fast.
Yeah, because I get bored fast.
Remember last year you took 3 months off travail and then you were so
I wanted to go back to work so bad.
I know, but I was into good ans.
Yep. So, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do good.
Oh, une autre question. Combien l'âge de différence nous avons ensemble?
She's old, yo.
Ou pas besoin de dire qui l'âge nous gagne, mais nous avons dit qui différence qui gagne entre l'âge.
27 years. That's messed up, yo.
Dis-le encore, yo.
27 ans de différence, ton écrase. Tu vas me faire un grand modèle, oui.
Yes, you guys, so.
Et ça garage.
27 ans de différence.
Ça garage, nous aimons même bagaille.
Yeah.
The best thing about it, even though I'm like 27 years older than her, but we like this. We
like the same thing, the same music.
We got everything in common.
The same
we like everything.
Everything, like.
Yeah, everything. No, we got everything in common.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's crazy, yo. That's crazy. That's how I'm fitting on this one. We don't give them
When you finish college, I was a Kit Kat. Oh, I wasn't even born yet. What time you finished college?
Talking about that, when I was getting married, she wasn't even born yet.
Next.
Not that much of a good fit, man.
So yeah, the age difference between us, l'âge différent, l'âge nous gagne ensemble, c'est 27 ans. 27 years.
That's messed up, yo.
Wow, one minute.
So I'm a young man. I'm a young boy. Young thing got some yet. But you guys can see that, right?
Okay, next one.
Damn, toujours, we got more questions?
Yes! What has been the best year of your life so far?
Say it again?
What has been the best year of your life so far?
I had some best years in my life before I met you.
Mm-hmm.
But when I met you, girls,
Come say hello,
I ain't saying Jack. No, I'm done. I'm for Joe later. I'm for Joe later. Hell no, that's not gonna happen.
Well, when you
on my watch.
Well, when you met me,
all hell broke loose.
Okay, va besoin finir pour. So nous déjà connaissons qui réponse là, okay?
Si je comprends là.
What is your biggest regret?
Que je vais finir avec fini la collège.
Okay. What finish so that upon now?
Yeah, I didn't finish.
Combien d'années au télé pour
2 years. I had 2 years left, but I didn't finish because what happened, I started working. Since I was making
and you
money,
had a good job, yeah.
I was like, fuck that shit. I didn't work instead.
Yeah.
And that's how I ended up, getting married so early. At a young age, because I was already working, making money. So I said, damn, I need a woman now. And then my girlfriend at that time got pregnant. Since I loved her, I said, you know what, girl, let's get married. If you marry. But unfortunately, man, things, went south. So we didn't see anything eye to eyes anymore. So we grew.
It's not unfortunate. If it was
grew
unfortunate,
apart.
you would have been married. Right?
She's selfish, y'all.
What is it?
Yeah, but come on now, but people get married for life, no?
Yeah.
And things happen along the way, and then
Okay.
boom, lucky you.
Okay.
That's what you should say. Hey, lucky me.
Have you ever been in love?
Of course. I just told you, it's my ex-wife.
Oh, only one?
No, what was it? Have you ever been in love?
Mhm.
I said, yeah, that happened. That just once with you.
Oh, okay.
But that happened before because
Okay.
yeah, with my
Okay.
ex-wife because we started dating when we were young. We live in the same neighborhood and stuff, so we know each other. Everybody knows each other. Yeah. And then things went down the drain to buy to be married. People, the million conto will be like, damn girl, where have you been all my life?
I wasn't born yet.
She wasn't born, you become a fat man.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, that's why I don't want people to say that Kitty, I left my ex-wife because of her. I don't want nobody to think that way. Because, me and my ex-wife, we had problems. She wasn't even born yet.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. What's your favorite thing about our relationship? Keep my opinion in a relationship.
Communication
Okay.
and understanding. So
Okay.
we communicate me if you don't comprehend me.
Yeah, we have that.
communications
Yeah.
and understanding.
Yep.
Yeah, we don't even need to make sacrifices or
Yeah.
compromises.
Yeah.
We just click.
Yeah.
Sometimes, you know, what she's thinking, I'm already thinking.
He's already thinking it.
I'll be like,
Yes.
okay, we're gonna do this. She'll be like, what? That's what I was thinking too.
I was
Or she
like,
can
I'm
do
gonna
me.
put this. Oh, this morning matin, I was like, c'est ma osal qui soumien vre mette. Et là, je dis c'est ma osal m'ta pas mette. Il can get dans tête c'est ma osal de vre wasi moi
That's
jodi
what I
a.
was thinking already.
Yeah.
See?
Sometimes everybody on
Communication is the key.
Yeah, that's crazy sometimes. I'm like,
And understanding.
yeah.
Okay, you can be communicating with somebody, you know, for life.
Yeah.
But there's no understanding. If there is no understanding, so communication is nothing.
Yeah.
With us, we got both.
Yeah.
And that's why, you know, we last so long, and we hope we're going to last longer.
Yeah.
Do I do good?
Yeah.
Wow.
My partner for life, right?
Yeah.
Oh, baby, give me a kiss.
I can kill her, y'all.
Next. Okay, ça finit.
Before I say next, can you give me a drink, please?
You want another one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you another one.
No, but the bottle.
Oh, okay.
This is that I'm drinking my bubble court. Not court like you go when you go to court. You know what I'm saying?
Vou meter bolo.
Oh.
Nada lá.
Okay. Oh, did you hear that? Yes.
Que essa lá.
Okay, you done?
No.
Damn, what?
Não tá bom when I eat the APS, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think they fall.
The happiest now when I'm not working and I'm sitting at home.
Yes. That is
Yeah,
true.
I'm back here, I'm home. I'm
Yeah.
sitting at home listening to music and drinking.
Yeah.
Or we're having a long ride,
Yeah.
a long road trip.
Yeah. But sometimes, if I'm not here, are you still happy if I'm not if I'm at work?
Yeah, but you see that I had some videos.
Eh?
Yeah, sometimes, yeah, I try to keep myself happy.
Yeah, that's true.
Waiting for you to get home,
Yeah.
then I get happy.
Yeah,
I know that.
That's true. Are you a city boy or a
I'm the suburb guy.
or a suburb person?
City, I can't stand city, man. That's why when I go to Manhattan, I'm not happy. Yeah?
You sweating? Why?
Yeah, that's when I go to Manhattan, I'm not happy because I feel like, you know, I'm between two walls.
Uh-huh.
But in the suburb, like when I'm home, for example,
Yeah.
I'm happy because trees. I'm surrounded by trees and stuff.
Everything
Then
is
when
green.
where people, everything
Yeah.
is green. The grass, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't see too many cars.
Yeah.
I don't see too many people.
Yeah.
That's when I'm happy. I'm a suburb guy.
Okay. What type of cars do you like?
I
Do you like?
like classic cars.
Okay.
But so far, I don't have a chance, you know, to buy one yet because they're too
It's so
expensive.
expensive, yeah.
Yeah, and my favorite one,
Mm-hmm.
what's my favorite one? You should know. See?
Mustang.
There we go.
Yeah.
Ford Mustang.
Babli is this time. Ford
And
Mustang.
the Renault 5.
The what?
It's a French car. Renault.
Oh.
Renault 5. It's a
Okay.
French car.
Okay.
Yeah. For now, I buy any car, you know, I can get. But, you know, when I'm retired, trust me on that. I'm going to get my Mustang.
Okay.
Yep.
I can get you.
You going to get me
I
one?
can get you that Mustang.
You going to get me
Only
one?
often to travel the new Mustang na parking na.
That would be awesome.
I've
Seriously?
bel bosule.
Well, I mean, listen, when I was married, you know, when I was with my ex-wife, I always, you know, expect one day when I get home to see a different car in the garage.
Do you
And
want
then
like?
for her to tell me this is for you, but that never happened. If you ever do that for me, girl, you'll be an angel. I'm serious. No, seriously.
Okay, I promise you that.
Seriously.
Yeah, I
I was
promise
like,
you
this time
that.
I'm going home, I'll be like, damn, when I get home, I hope to see a different car. And when I get inside, and my ex-wife said, this is your battery. But that never happened because she was too cheap.
True. I don't think I have any more questions, you guys. Maybe si you get question, you can make a question about video and then I phone
Yeah, if you guys want to know much,
like,
more about me, so you can always, you know, ask questions.
Yeah.
Si vous voulez plus de moi ou bien non, I don't know. Get a tout de questions. Parce que j'ai besoin de des questions que nous pas répondre là.
Yeah.
So anyway, c'est bien pour l'amende.
Namaste.
If you guys have more questions, you know, don't do that hesitate. Just ask.
Yes. So,
Okay. I think I did good.
You did good.
Damn.
It was like an interview, was it? Do you feel like it was an interview, right?
Yes, it is. I think it's better than the first time. We did one.
We did one.
3 years ago.
How much do you know me, I think? Si nou ba gade sa, m'tap mando kesyon
Remember you
de
asked
mwen
me if I
men.
got $1 million, you know, what would I do with it? So that was me. You were asking me.
I think I was asking you questions too.
So I
Yeah.
had $1 million, you know, what would I do with it?
Yeah, I'm person on 100. So
I
yeah.
told you I would share it with this and that.
Yeah.
Give a little bit of it. Make a lot of people happy so that I can be happy too. I don't want, if I have money, I'm not going to keep it for myself. Man. I got to. I remember the first time I had $100,000. I'm telling you, man, I share it with my sister, my mom, ex-wife. You know what I'm saying? I give the kids
Yeah.
the house, and then I change the whole house. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway guys, so si nou gen kesyon toujou, nan bon nou kesyon pou nou repon. So, mersi pase nou te gade, kontine gade, share, komente.
Yeah, et puis faites connaître que c'est funny parce que je me fais pas la funny tout.
Pas de quoi.
Moi, je vais dire fort. Voilà, c'est baguette fun, baladon. Hi guys.
So now we're on another video. Bye.
See ya.
See ya.
A kiss.
Oh baby, you're so sweet. My baby's so fucking sweet, y'all. Bye.
Oh, yeah, sweet. Like a candy shop. Come to the candy shop.